In this video, I am up with Randall Bros near Holgate, Ohio, as they are putting drain tile in one of their harvested wheat fields. They have an awful lot of things going on in this field here. First up, we're going to start out with their John Deere 8RX 370 tractor pulling a Liebrecht trencher plow, putting in the main. This main here is 12 inches in diameter. Once they get this put in the field, they will be coming through and digging in, and they are putting a run of 4-inch tile with a tile plow every 15 feet. In this video, I should be able to give you a pretty good idea how this whole process works. Starting here at the main, I'll have lots of good drone shots, on the ground shots of all the action as they put the main in here, then dig in, tee in, and put their runs in. I've done several field drainage videos over the years. This is pretty common in Ohio. Most of the fields are drained. Now, this field here did have the old clay tile in it from probably 100+ years ago. So it's pretty common for farmers to come in and do this. That's why I always say wheat in Ohio is kind of a maintenance crop. We don't grow a lot of wheat. It's mostly corn and soybeans. But the guys that do grow wheat oftentimes take the wheat off. That gives them most of July, August into September before corn and soybean harvest start to get this project done right here. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will see some farms put runs in every 50 feet, every 40 feet. Some go 25 feet. This is the first time I've seen 15 feet spacing between the laterals or the runs. Now, you have to remember, Ohio at one time when the settlers got here was mostly swamp and trees. So once the run is in, they're coming in with the excavator here and digging in every 15 feet. Then you will see a guy go down in there with a hole saw, put a hole in the main, and then they will couple into that for the runs. And the machine digging here is a Cat 316F excavator. And then putting the runs in, they are running a Case International 550 Quadtrac tractor with this mounted tile plow. Now, they do have 3 Quadtracs with tile plows. The day I was here, they were just starting this field, and they just had one of those 3 running. You can also see the guys in the backgrounds laying the pipe out ahead. So like I said, there's a lot of action in this video, and I'm going to show it all to you. I was up here visiting these guys in mid-July, so you can see the haze in the sky. That was when we had all that Canadian wildfire smoke. the end of the run here putting in this main. So they got the trencher plow out of the ground, so we're just going to fly around here and have a look at it. This is the first one of these I've ever filmed. This is built by a company, Liebrecht Manufacturing, and they are based out of Continental, Ohio, so really pretty close to where this field is here. They make tile plows, other various drainage equipment, and so forth, and they do have a website if you want to go check it out. But anyways, as you can see right there, a lot of your trenchers have like the chain for digging, and this actually has an auger, so something totally different. Nice to feature it here on my YouTube channel. Fast are you running here?
2.5.
2, okay. 2.
Oh, I see it there. every 15 feet.
La carota más. Tierra, quítale la tierra ahí, esos terrones, que vienen con puro para abajo. Ahí así, nomás quítale las piedras de abajo.
Quítese.
¿Ya? No, güey, allá nos lucíamos a poner la puta manguera en aquel tiempo, güey. Mira, güey, mira. Mira el puto, güey. Mira, ponle las pinches patas de onda, güey.
Even going to be able to include a few seconds of dozer footage as he moves this thing across the field. And that's going to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often for new videos. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.